Well, good evening, viewers, and here you are at Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood. And tonight we're having leftovers, heated up leftovers. Nothing fancy here, that's for sure. Just heaty uppy and in she goes. I might even have a fresh biscuit with it. Ooh, boy, look at that. Yeah, and some ginger ale over there. And I was listening to the hoedown, and I don't know if you can hear it or not, but there's no music playing. So anyway, the last thing I heard was "Set 'em Up Joe" from Vern Gosden. So there we go. That was I'm looking. That's what I was listening to. There you go. Good evening.